when the first P1 was delivered to VSP, manufactured by MTA. That was, for me at least, a very beautiful moment. Yeah.
MTA is responsible for all the assembly and manufacturing of our products, and it also helps us a lot in the development of these products. So they really take over the skill set that we don't have, so we can focus on what we can do best.
We bring some added value to VSParticle on 2 points. And the first one is help them with the industrialization of the current product portfolio. And on the development side, we help them from the one-room approach on roadmap development.
In an early stage of our product development, we come together and we already look into ways how we're gonna assemble, how we're gonna put the right individual modules together. So that's a very good way to take away a lot of risk in the development process.
We have a special relationship with VSParticle based on trust. And for that reason we can talk to each other of all topics and discuss all challenges we see and we have together.
So previously we did batch production with MTA, meaning we got a batch of systems delivered at once. Now we are moving to continuous production.
Continuous production, what we call flow production, means that we are going to build the system in a certain flow. So for example, 1 a month instead of batches from 12 in one batch. So it makes the process more reliable for VSP, but also for MTA a big advantage.
The result of the partnership so far is actually that we have mature, high quality products that we actually can deliver to our customers. And most of that quality of production is thanks to our partnership.
If we keep on working on the one-room approach and integrated the process knowledge of VSParticle with the knowledge of MTA, I think we can perfectly prepare and solve some problems in the world together.
We see each other more as colleagues and friends to some extent.